Hey guys, welcome. Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I will talking about few unknown tricks about your iPhone. So let's start the video and check out. So in this video, first of all, I will talking about a trick regarding your Notes application. So in the Notes application, if you are into drawing mode, so where you draw anything with a pencil, pen on screen. So if you want to draw any shape like a circle, triangle, square, anything, do one thing, just draw it anyhow. Okay, the shape might be not perfect, but what you do after you draw the shape, just hold as you saw on screen. So whenever you draw a shape, okay, it might be not perfect, but after drawing it, if you hold your fingers for a second, it will automatically convert into a perfect shape like triangle, square, line, circle, anything can be drawn in a perfect shape with this trick. Now talking about second iPhone trick, that is regarding your Notes application only. So here, if you are a heavy note application user like me, where I take my task, note down anything, small things I note down in Notes application. So as a result, there are multiple notes in my device. So here what you can do is, if you are lost and you want to set very important notes, you can do one thing, you can just swipe left and you can pin them. So any important notes in Notes application, you can pin them on top of the list just by swiping left and pin. It's a very simple task. Simple trick you can try to not to get lost in multiple or bulk notes in a Notes application. Now we'll talk about the third trick, that is regarding your Photos application. So here, if you want to select a multiple photos at the same time, you know the basic trick, that is just select and tap on photos and just drag your finger. So that will go automatically, your screen will slide up and down automatically, right? But the quickest way is that while holding one finger, with other hand, you can just swipe your screen very fast. So as a result, it will select the photos very faster than as your basic or default speed. So the next trick is regarding a YouTube application on your iPhone. So whenever in YouTube app we watch any video in full screen, we get this default screen size like a square, right? Aspect ratio. So it doesn't look good because we have a longer display, but here we are watching video in a square, right? So what you can do, you can just zoom the screen. As you zoom the photos, similarly just zoom your video screen on a iPhone or a YouTube application. So it will automatically fill the screen and you can watch a video in full display or a full screen. And the last trick we'll talk about is regarding your iPhone camera application. So here we all know that in iOS 15 we get the option or a feature of scanning the text while pointing a camera towards any text on a surface, right? Just point your camera towards any text on the surface. Scan the text, and once you have the text here, just select the text and choose the option for translating. So here you know that you can translate the text in any language you want to translate. So here you will see that when you scan the text and select the text on a screen, you can choose more option and that text can be translated any language you want to translate from given list. As you can see on the screen, once you point the camera, scan the text, select the text and just choose more options and translate the text in any language you want to translate. Like your Chinese, any language you want to translate from given. I feel this is a very important trick, a very useful trick, because just by scanning the text or copying the text instantly from the camera, we can translate it. Because other application we want to put the audio or copy the text or type the text then translate, right? Here instantly we can copy the text from given surface or in front of us and just translate instantly, right? So it is very fastest way of translating any language we want to translate. And guys, lastly, I hope you like these tricks, and if you like this trick, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos regarding your iOS tips and tricks, iOS solutions and iPhone customization. So until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.